two brand new premium SUV tires. One comes from Michelin, promising long-lasting safety, comfort, and lower fuel consumption. The other comes from Pirelli, and it's faster in wet, stronger in dry braking, and somewhat 24% cheaper. This is the Michelin Primacy 5 versus the all-new Pirelli Scorpion 3 SUV. And based on the results we have today, Michelin could already be in trouble. Test data was conducted by the TÜV SUD, with the Michelin Primacy 5 set as the 100% reference. Let's see which tire wins. We begin in the wet, where the Pirelli immediately takes control. In wet braking, the Scorpion 3 SUV is only 1% ahead. Straight line aquaplaning is extremely close, with Pirelli again holding a narrow 1% advantage. But wet handling is where the comparison changes completely. The Pirelli is 9% better. That is not a minor difference. It suggests a much sharper, more responsive tire when the SUV is pushed through wet corners. The Michelin remains competitive in braking and aquaplaning, but once the road starts twisting, the Pirelli pulls away. And the Pirelli does not slow down when the road dries. In dry braking, the Scorpion 3 SUV delivers a clear 7% advantage over the Primacy 5. For two newly launched premium SUV tires, that is a decisive result. The Pirelli stops shorter, reinforcing its more performance-focused and dynamic character. Michelin may have built the Primacy 5 around long-term safety and efficiency, but in dry braking tests, the Scorpion 3 SUV is simply stronger. But Michelin is not finished. Rolling resistance is where the Primacy 5 finally fights back, and this time, the difference is significant. The Michelin holds a 9% advantage over the Pirelli. Lower rolling resistance can contribute to lower fuel consumption, improve efficiency, and better long-distance economy. So while Pirelli appears to prioritize grip and sharper performance, Michelin delivers the more efficiency-focused package. Now we come to the result that makes this comparison genuinely uncomfortable for Michelin. In the 235/55 R19 size, the Michelin Primacy 5 costs €173, while the Pirelli Scorpion 3 SUV just costs €140. That makes the Pirelli approximately 24% cheaper. So, the less expensive tire is also better in wet handling, better in dry braking, and marginally stronger in wet braking and aquaplaning. That is an extreme difficult combination to ignore. Michelin has the efficiency advantage, but based purely on available performance and purchase price, Pirelli delivers the stronger value. From my tire expert perspective, the Pirelli Scorpion 3 SUV is currently the more convincing tire. It delivers better wet handling, stronger dry braking, and costs 24% less. For drivers who want sharper SUV performance and maximum value, the Pirelli is clearly the leader based on the results available today. However, the Michelin Primacy 5 fights back with substantially lower rolling resistance, making it more efficiency-focused and potentially more economical option over long-distance driving. But there is one major result still missing: mileage. Michelin's entire argument could depend on how much longer the Primacy 5 lasts. If Michelin delivers a major tread life advantage, its higher price could be still justified.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.